dear students, welcome to our channel Exam Side Mathematics by PHANI. In this video, we are discussing about some trigonometric objective questions, that is MCQs with different questions. I think I will take 20 to 15 minutes, 5 to 6 questions we will discuss now. Let us have a discussion, the questions here. Yeah, we already done previous jeemains related to trigonometry in 2 to 3 videos. I will continue with that. Not only that, but also jeemains. Yeah, Astakil, thank you for joining. Abhigna also. Abhigna Creations, thank you for joining. Please share to your friends and relatives also. If x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to b sin cube theta, then among the options. First, x equal to a cos cube theta, y equal to b sin cube theta. As it is, we are writing distance. From this, cos theta and sin theta make as a subject. So a bring this side, x by a equal to cos cube theta, y by b equal to sin cube theta. But I want here cos theta first. So if you want to remove power 3 here, both sides power rise to 1 by 3. So x by a whole power 1 by 3 is equal to cos power 3 theta whole power 1 by 3. Here 3 get cancelled here, students. So in here also power rise to 1 by 3. So y by b whole power 1 by 3 equal to sin power 3 theta whole power 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. So x by a whole power 1 by 3 is equal to cos theta. Squaring on both sides. So x by a whole power 2 by 3 is equal to cos square theta. Here also. So y by b whole power 1 by 3 is equal to sin theta. Squaring on both sides. Y by b whole power 2 by 3 is equal to sin square theta. What is the relation between sin square theta and cos square theta? 1 is equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta. So in place of sin square theta, cos square theta substitute. So 1 equal to sin square theta means this one. Y by b whole power 2 by 3 plus x by a whole power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Write in the order, that is x by a whole power 2 by 3 plus y by b whole power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. This procedure is called elimination of theta from the given equations. So x by a whole power 2 by 3 plus y by b whole power 2 by 3 equal to 1 is there in the third option, dear students. We'll move on to another question. Here the question is related to secant theta and tan theta. So first, x is equal to a secant theta, secant cube theta. That implies x by a equal to secant cube theta. I want secant theta itself. So here also power raised to 1 by 3 on both sides. X by a whole power 1 by 3 is equal to secant cube theta whole power 1 by 3. So here 3 get cancelled. Therefore, x by a whole power 1 by 3 is equal to secant theta. So y equal to b tan cube theta. Same procedure you have to follow to understand that. That implies y by b, bring this side, tan cube theta. That implies that to remove here 3, power rise on both sides by whole power 1 by 3. That is equal to tan power 3 theta whole power 3. 1 by 3. 3 get cancelled. So y by b whole power 1 by 3 is equal to tan theta. What is the relation between secant theta and tan theta? We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. We know that. Even here also we need to write, dear students. We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to. So secant theta value substitute in this. X by a whole power 1 by 3 whole square minus y by b whole power 1 by 3 whole square equal to 1. So x by a whole power 2 by 3 minus y by b whole power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. This is our required answer to the given equations for elimination of theta from these equations. So x by a whole power 2 by 3 minus y by b whole power minus 2 by 3 equal to 1 is there in the first option, dear students. We'll drop this and we'll move to another set of questions. If a cos theta plus b sin theta equal to m and a sin theta minus b cos theta equal to n, then a square plus b square equal to m plus m square minus n square, m square plus n square, 4mn. If tan theta plus sin theta equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta is equal to n, then first option, which option is going to get correct? M square minus n square equal to 4mn. Second option, m square plus n square equal to 4mn. Third option, m square minus n square equal to n square plus n square. Fourth option, m square minus n square equal to 4 root m. Dear students, you remember whenever the question in terms of sine and cos plus minus is given, you have to do that for both the equations, squaring on both sides and then add. So you will get the answer. So for first one, a cos theta plus b sin theta is equal to m, squaring on both sides, a square cos square theta plus b square sin square theta plus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to m square. Keep it as equation number 1. Next, a sin theta minus b cos theta is equal to n, squaring on both sides, a minus b whole square. A square sin square theta plus b square cos square theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta is equal to n square. Adding 1 and 2, 1 plus 2. That implies from these two, a square take common, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Plus again from these two, b square take common, sin square theta plus cos square theta. And these two will be cancelled only now. So plus 2ab sin theta cos theta minus 2ab sin theta cos theta get cancelled is equal to m square plus n square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is what? 1. Therefore, a square into 1 plus b square into 1 equal to m square plus n square. That implies that a square plus b square equal to m square plus n square. They are asking to find a square plus b square, you know. So our answer is third option here, students, m square plus n square. I hope you understand. We'll move on to another question. See that options here. By observing the given equations in terms of tan and sine. Yeah, thank you for joining. Please like and share those who are watching first time. Here it is in this form of a plus b into a minus b, no? A square minus b square we can make it. So, tan theta plus sin theta into tan theta minus sin theta is equal to m into n, am I right? Okay. So it will be tan square theta minus sin square theta is equal to mn. Till here, we understand that. After that, how to do that? Here, tan square theta can be written as sin square theta by cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to mn. Sin square theta take common, sin square theta into 1 by cos square theta minus 1 equal to mn. So that implies that sin square theta into 1 minus cos square theta by cos square theta is equal to m into n. What is 1 minus cos square theta? Sin square theta. So sin square theta by cos square theta, 1 minus cos square theta is again sin square theta, is equal to m into n. So sine by cos tan. So tan square theta into sine square theta is equal to m into n. So if you remove square here, tan theta into sine theta root over mn. Till here, understand it, students? So what we have to do is, in other case, here these values also in terms of tan theta and sine theta, we need to convert. So first we need to add these two. Tan theta plus sine theta is equal to m. Tan theta minus sine theta equal to n. First we are adding these two will be cancelled. 2 tan theta equal to m plus n. So tan theta equal to m plus n divided by 2. Similarly, both equations you have to subtract. Tan theta plus sine theta is equal to m. Tan theta minus sine theta equal to n. If you subtract one equation from other, this is minus, this is plus, this is minus. These two will be cancelled. 2 sine theta is equal to m minus n. So sine theta is equal to m minus n divided by 2. These two values substitute in this. So what happens? M plus n divided by 2 into m minus n divided by 2 is equal to root mn. So in the numerator, m plus n into m minus n is m square minus n square divided by 4 equal to root mn. Cross multiply m square minus n square equal to 4 root mn. Observe the options, dear students, and choose that value. So m square minus n square equal to 4 root mn, which is there in the fourth option. I hope you understand, dear students. We'll move on to another question. If P equal to 2 sin theta by 1 plus cos theta plus sin theta and Q equal to cos theta by 1 plus sin theta, then, so options are provided. PQ equal to 1, Q by P equal to 1, so Q minus P equal to 1, so fourth option, Q plus P equal to 1. We'll see which option is going to get the correct one. Please, if you know, just you can predict, means you can choose that answer, means you can predict, dear students. You can give the answer in comment box in what we can avoid. So here, Here 1 plus sine theta is there now, dear students. Here also P equal to 2 sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta plus cos theta. Like this we have to write it. Multiplying and dividing by this value 1 plus sine theta plus cos theta is there, no? 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta. Multiplying and dividing by 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta whole divided by 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta. Okay. So P equal to numerator, if you simplify, 2 sine theta into keep bracket 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta divided by denominator is a plus b into a minus b form. So a square minus b square. So it will becomes 1 plus sine theta whole square minus cos theta whole square, which is equal to 2 sine theta into 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta whole divided by a plus b whole square. 1 plus sine square theta plus 2 sine theta minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta we can write it as sine square theta. That is equal to 2 sine theta into 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta whole divided by sine square theta plus 2 sine theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sine square theta, which is equal to 2 sine theta into 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta divided by sine square theta plus sine square theta is 2 sine square theta plus 2 sine theta. Again 2 sine theta, take out common, dear students. So 2 sine theta into 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta divided by 2 sine theta into sine theta plus 1. So 2 sine theta get cancelled. This value is P. So P equal to 1 plus sine theta minus cos theta divided by sine theta plus 1 divided by sine theta plus 1. So these two will be cancelled. P equal to 1 minus cos theta by sine theta plus 1. Since the value of Q is cos theta by 1 plus sine theta, it is given. So since it is given, so in place of this what you have to replace? Q. So P equal to 1 minus Q bring this side, P plus Q equal to 1, which is our required relation, that is in the fourth option, dear students. Slowly, for your convenience, I am explaining. I hope you understand. if tan theta minus cot theta is equal to A and sin theta plus cos theta is equal to B, then B square minus 1 whole square into A square plus 4 is equal to first option 2, second option minus 4, third option 24 plus or minus 4, fourth option is 4. This type of question may chances to ask in competitive area. So here A square and B square is required, means we need to do that squaring on both sides. There is no other alternative. So for this squaring on both sides, A minus B whole square, no? So tan square theta plus cot square theta minus 2 tan theta into cot theta is equal to A square. Tan theta and cot theta both are reciprocal to each other. This value is equal to 1. So tan square theta, in terms of secant, you have to write it. See how to write is secant square theta minus 1 plus cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. No? So cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1 minus 2 equal to A square. So secant square theta plus cosecant square theta minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 4 bring this side A square plus 4. So here we got it now, A square plus 4. Secant square theta we can write it as 1 by cos square theta plus 1 cosecant square theta is 1 by sin square theta is equal to A square plus 4. So take LCM and simplify. Sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta into cos square theta is equal to A square plus 4. What is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? Square. So 1 by sin square theta into cos square theta is equal to A square plus 4. So 1 is equal to A square plus 4 into sin square theta plus cos square theta into cos square theta. So what we have to do with this step? Come to here. Here also squaring on both sides. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to B square. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to B square. So 1 bring this side. 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to B square minus 1. So sin theta into cos theta equal to B square minus 1 divided by 2. Squaring on both sides. Sin square theta into cos square theta is equal to B square minus 1 whole square by 4. So wherever sin square theta into cos square theta is there, replace with this value. Therefore 1 is equal to A square plus 4 into, in place of this, B square minus 1 divided by, so the whole square by 4. That 4 bring that sign. 4 equal to A square plus 4 into B square minus 1 whole square. So the n's required value, A square, B square minus 1 whole square and A square plus 4 equal to plus 4. It is there in the fourth option, dear students. I hope you understand. We'll move on to another question. Yeah, the coming one is last question in this session, because almost 10:10. So within 5 or 10 minutes, we are going to finish the session. Tan A by 1 plus secant A plus 1 plus secant A by tan A is equal to, first option 2 sin A, second option 2 cos A, third option 2 cosecant A, fourth option 2 secant A. See. So answer in terms of sine and cos and the reciprocal of cos, reciprocal of sine is there, means you need to convert all in terms of sine and cos. That is better. Better to convert in that. My suggestion is first you need to simplify and then do it. Tan A into tan A times square A plus 1 plus secant A whole square by tan A into 1 plus secant A. Just we have taken LCM, students, that's all. Now expand tan square A plus 1 plus secant square A plus 2 secant A by tan A into 1 plus secant A. Secant square A minus tan square A equal to 1, no? So 1 plus tan square A equal to secant square A or not? Secant square A minus tan square A equal to 1, no? So from that secant square A equal to 1 plus tan square A. So in place of 1 plus tan square A, secant square A plus secant square A plus 2 secant A divided by tan A into 1 plus secant A. So secant A, secant square A, secant square A, 2 secant square A plus 2 secant A divided by tan A into 1 plus secant A. So secant A, 2 secant A take common. 2 secant A, if you take out common, secant A plus 1 divided by tan A into 1 plus secant A. 1 plus secant A, 1 plus secant A get cancelled. So that is equal to 2 into secant A can be written as 1 by cos A divided by tan A can be written as sin A by cos A. So here cos A, here cos A get cancelled, which is equal to 2 divided by sin A. Reciprocal of sine is cosecant, so 2 into cosecant A. So 2 into cosecant A is there in the third option, dear students. I hope everyone understand. If you are really like these videos, please share to your friends and relatives. This is my sincere request to all my well-wishers of our YouTube channel family members. Thank you all dear friends and my students for your support. Jai Hind, Exam Side Mathematics Paper. Advance Happy Independence Day 2025 for tomorrow.